Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to show you how to make a Thunderbolt. It is my own build and I made it up. First, you fold it like this. It has to be that way and then fold it in half. Next step, you open it up and you fold this backwards and take this corner and fold a line from the top of that corner to the bottom corner. So it's folded from that corner to that corner. Next up, you fold it over and do the same thing on the other side. So line up this point and then fold it. Next step, you're going to fold this up so it's in line with this line. Next step, you flip it over and do the same thing on this side. Then you open it up and your plane should look like this. Then you take these and open everything up. Next step, you take this and just fold it the other way. And then you do it the same on the other side. Then you fold on these lines just to the middle. Next step, you flip it over like this. And you fold it over like this. So it's an inch from the bottom. And then you flatten out the bubbles if needed. Next step, you fold it up and take this down to the middle. And then you do the same on the other side, making sure that these wings are creased really nicely because they're going to be the front of the wing. Next step, you fold this little tab up so it will lock everything together. Next, you fold it like this way and line everything up, then fold on the bottom. Next step, you fold the wings from here and you just fold it down. Don't fold it to this line because then the wings wouldn't be long enough. So just fold from this corner to about here. So it's just a little bit slanted up. And then you do it on the other side. So line up the corner. Next step, you're going to fold up the wing tips. So make sure the bottom of this is parallel with the top fold. Next step, you flip it over and line it up and fold it the same on this side. And then you lift these up so they're 90 degrees, and there is your plane. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more paper airplanes like this. Here is the Thunderbolt in flight.